Hi, I'm Rajaratnam Kanagarajan, founder CEO of Essar Engineers. Today we are going to see on this episode about the coconut water concentrate. First I want to explain you what is coconut water concentrate. Coconut water concentrate means 15 liters of matured coconut water is being concentrated to 1 kg of concentrate. What do you mean? It be like a thickness of a honey, like that. See, first we have to know about the why it is being concentrated. This concentration is mainly done for the purpose of transportation. Instead of transporting 15 liters, we can transport 1 kg of a semi-liquid like honey for easy transportation and volume on the reducing of the volume. This is being used in countries like western countries like US and thing. This is being imported for diluting and mixing with a lot of other fruit juices like strawberry, mango, and it is being tetra packed and it is sold as a coconut water with different flavors. So this basically this industry started in Philippines where the lot of desiccated coconut projects are there. So like 100,000, 200,000 coconuts are being processed. So around 20,000 to 30,000 liters of coconut water will be generated. This is being concentrated and exported there. This is a very little knowledge we have it in India. We have installed some couple of projects in Philippines as well as in Visakhapatnam. So here we concentrate, we supply machines and install and we give a turnkey solutions. As of now, you see it in Tamil Nadu. I did a study like all this coconut water, matured coconut water goes to drain around worth of 1,000 to 2,000 crores. So what is my opinion is that this is going to be a next emerging business in coconut. These coconuts which are broken for copra processing, this can be collected hygienically and brought to an processing center, and it can be concentrated and frozen and can be exported. So this in my travel in the coconut industry, I can provide you as a team. We can provide a solution in producing this coconut water. So if you have any doubts on further clarification, you can contact me on my number which is available on this channel. Thank you.